In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the engine oil filter in your Kia Sportage. A clean air filter ensures optimal performance and fuel efficiency for your vehicle. So let's get started. First, locate the air filter housing. The engine air filter in Sportage is located under the hood. So, pull open the hood release lever near the driver's door and lift up the hood. The air filter is situated near the engine, enclosed in a rectangular casing. Replacing the engine air filter in Kia Sportage is a very easy job as compared to some other cars. All you have to do is pull open this air filter cover. Just pull it from the top edges and swing it downward. Now you will see two locking levers on the old air filter. Turn the levers downward to unlock the filter. Then pull out the filter from the housing. Now inspect the air filter. You can actually clean the air filter with compressed air if it's not too dirty, but it is highly recommended to follow the maintenance schedule and replace the filter when necessary. Insert the new air filter into the housing. Then turn the locking levers upward to lock the air filter in place. Swing up the cover until the hooks on the cover are securely fastened into the latches. Check if the cover is firmly installed. Finally, close the hood of your Sportage and you're all set. You have successfully replaced the engine air filter, promoting better engine performance and efficiency. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to Wheels Join for more car maintenance tips. See you in the next video.